Okay, today we're here at the Dog Haus, and we came to try something new. But then this is, I think this is also kind of new. So this is called the Ringer Cheeseburger, and it has Creekstone Black Angus Smashburger. Oh, lots of pickles. Let's space them out a little more. Okay, and then, oh, this is a regular hamburger bun, not a Hawaiian sweet roll. And then there's the miso, miso ranch sauce, right? And white American cheese. And then there's shredded lettuce. And these are, I guess, are kind of like onion. Oh, no, they're grilled onions, right? Or pickled, or not pickled, but onion strings, or onion strings. Okay, they're just so sauced that they look like regular grilled onions. Oh, it's a King's Hawaiian bun. Okay, so it doesn't look like the rolls, but it is still King's Hawaiian. So oh, let me try this out. Okay. Very much. I should have left it in the the paper. This is actually really good too. Burger is very moist, even though it's smashed. It's not smashed too hard so that it's really thin. Oh yeah, it does have some crispy edges. Yeah, this one's actually delicious. Actually, a lot of their food here is really delicious. They use good ingredients, and then they usually have good combinations too. And then they almost always use King's Hawaiian, either rolls or buns. This one happens to be a King's Hawaiian bun. So yeah, this one's actually delicious. So let's see. So I'm gonna give this one an A+. And I think this is, even though it's new, it may be on the regular menu. I'm not sure. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.